Hello everyone, and welcome to American Eats Fatima's Words of Wisdom short video series. Today's words of wisdom turn to the Most Holy Trinity. O Most Holy Trinity, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, I adore Thee profoundly. I offer Thee the most precious body, blood, soul, and divinity of Jesus Christ, present in all the tabernacles of the world, in reparation for the outrages, sacrileges, and indifferences by which He is offended. By the infinite merits of the Sacred Heart of Jesus and the Immaculate Heart of Mary, I beg the conversion of poor sinners. May this prayer, given to the children of Fatima, remind you and me of the power that resides within the Holy Trinity, and encourage us to offer prayers to them for the conversion of sinners. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these words of wisdom help you live your life in the faith. Talk to you all again soon.